welcome back to my channel. So to begin, I'm going to be washing my wig, and I basically just saturate my hair first before I put any conditioner. And the conditioner that I'm using is the Aussie Moist. I love this conditioner for wigs, and I'm just using a Denon brush to really define the curls because I really like the wave that it gave. So yeah, and after that I'm just going to rinse off all of the conditioner, and my hair felt super soft afterwards. And then I just define the curls again with the Denon brush, and you're all good to go. Okay, so now we're actually going to install the wig, and my hair's already prepped in braids. If you guys want to see a video on how I do my braids, please leave a comment down below and I will definitely do a video for you guys. I'm going to take some bobby pins and I'm just going to pin it back like this. I don't know if you guys can see, but I'm just going to pin it back so that it's not, you know, in the way. And yeah. So the things that you're going to need to install this wig is a wig cap, a rat tail comb, a little brush that you can get from like the beauty supply store, one of these clips. These are amazing. I actually got these from Ross for like $3. And then, you know, the star of the show, the Got To Be Ultra Glue Gel. I actually just got the little one because I didn't know if I would like it or not. And then the Got To Be Blasting Free Spray. I'm just going to put this on. And you want to get it not like, I can't even explain it, but this is kind of how you want your hair to look. I don't want my edges like to be damaged. I still want my edges. We love our edges, guys. Like, we don't want anything to ruin them. I will include way more details about this wig and everything at the end of the video, so don't leave. My hair's a little damp because I washed it last night, but by the time I go out and stuff, like by the time I like walk around, it'll be fine. And this wig is supposed to be straight, but I washed it and it got like this really nice wave, so I think I'm gonna leave it like this. I'm just gonna put on this wig and kind of just see where I want to place it. I'm just gonna pull it up to where I kind of want the hair to be. So it's probably like right here, you know, something slight, something slight. I kind of pre-plucked the baby hairs already, but I need to pluck it way more. But I'm still learning. I'm not an expert at applying wigs at all. Like, please bear with me as I try to finesse this wig. So I'm going to use, okay. I'm basically just gonna flip the wig over, if that makes any sense. Flip it like this, just so I can kind of see where I want to put the gel and all that fun stuff. Next, I'm going to take my Got To Be Ultra Glued Gel, and I'm just going to take a little small amount. I'm sure you guys have seen like a bunch of videos of people applying like the glue. Oof, oof. I put a little extra right here because that kind of makes the wig feel more secure. So next I'm going to be taking my blow dryer, and I'm going to be using this on the cool setting and the low airflow, and I'm just going to dry it and then apply the free spray. So next I'm going to be using the Got To Be Glued Blasting Free Spray, and I'm just going to put this on like my sideburns because that's where I feel like it tends to fly away. We do not want it flying away because that's not cute. Now it's time to get crazy and put this lace on this glue. So I'm just gonna roll it right back to where it was. This is kind of the nerve-wracking part. And then just place it where I wanted it. This is when the rat tail comb comes in handy. It just makes sure the air flaps are all in the right place. The wig is on. I kind of just press onto the lace with the rat tail comb. So sometimes there's places where the glue just does not want to stick, and it can be annoying at times. So I'm just going to use the same free spray and put it in the places where like it's just not sticking. That then I place it on there. I'm going to do the baby hair. This is probably like my favorite part of the whole entire process. So to do so, I'm just going to like use a rat tail comb and kind of carve out where the baby hairs are, and then pin the rest of my hair back, because if you try and do your baby hairs while your hair is just like out, it turns into a hot mess. I'm actually going to be using the same Got To Be ultra glued styling gel. So yeah. Now that my edges are sort of laid, this is kind of how my hair is looking. I'm going to beat my face, and then I'll be back with you guys to talk about the hair and give you the final results on how my hair really is. So my face is done. We are ready. This is the final result. I did my little baby hairs, you know, all that fun stuff. Yeah, it's a little shiny. I washed it. You guys will see it all in the clips. But that is basically how my hair is looking. So this hair is from Elva Hair Wigs, and I think it's under the company NYUWA. I will put the link, as I said, in the description. And it came with like a weaving cap, just like a pamphlet with like a whole bunch of different hairs, like different hairstyles that they sell. And then it came with like little notes, and I don't know, like the communication was very, very nice in like ever since I bought the wig. Like the lady was contacting me, and she was just really, really nice. So the communication part was amazing. And yeah, so this hair is 18 inches. I think I'm gonna cut it after a while so I can be like a cute little, I don't know, short dude. I think this will look really cute, so I think I'm gonna cut it maybe for back to school. I'm not sure. And also don't forget to look out for those back to school videos, because I will be posting them very, very soon. I'm very happy. For the first time me well, not the first time, but like the fourth time me trying to install a wig, I think I have done pretty well. That was it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Make sure to give it a huge thumbs up, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button. I love you guys, and I'll see you in my next video.